Hi, this is Jeffrey Kerr at Kerr Financial Group, and today is Friday, September 27, 2024. So we have the end of the quarter, end of the month, and end of the third quarter on Monday. The news this morning was the PCE, personal consumption inflation indicator, and it was less than expected. And it gives room for the Fed to cut 50 basis points at the beginning of November at that meeting. I don't know whether they will. I think that cutting 50 basis points in two consecutive meetings is pretty extreme, but you never know. There's a lot of calls for it now and some momentum gaining for that. The inflation's okay, and that gives the room for further reductions rather than the 25 basis point cut. Other big news from this week, I think, is the stock markets and financial markets in China. Huge gains this week. They on their Tuesday trading day, which would have been our Monday night, the government announced a stimulus package, and the stocks have just really spiked. The Shanghai Composite Index is up over 10% in 4 trading days. The Hang Seng's up about 12% in 4 trading days. And the China A50 is up over 13%, again, in 4 trading days. So a big move that, China being such a big economy, that the some of the commodities now are catching bids and further bids, and that this whole, that the worst is behind us in regarding Chinese economy, as well as there were fears that the Chinese economy going into recession would have ripple effects throughout the global markets, global economies. So maybe that's alleviated a little bit. So we'll cut it here. Have a great weekend. I'll be back on Monday. Thank you for listening, and please keep the comments, questions, and suggestions coming, and the likes and subscribing. Thank you again. Goodbye.